Alam mo ba na majority ng mga newbie traders hindi naman talaga nagfe-fail? They just quit right before it starts working. And ito yung problem. Forex is one of the few financial vehicles na people expect instant results. Pero, isipin mo to. Pag nag-gym ka ba, expect mo ba na in 1 week may abs ka na? Hindi. Pero sa trading, 1 week ka lang natalo, gusto mo na agad sumuko. Yo, kamusta? Joby here. And if you've tried Forex before and parang feeling mo hindi siya para sa'yo, this might change how you look at it. Kasi most people, they don't fail because they can't do it. They fail because they don't stay long enough to see it work. So ito, let's be real. When people enter Forex, and expectation nila is extra income agad, side hustle na mabilis, yung pwede na kumita kahit beginner. Yes, possible, but not the way you think. Because what you're actually learning here is not a shortcut. It is a skill. And every skill requires reps. Pero ang ginagawa ng karamihan, magta-try, natalo, nagduda na, nag-quit na lang. Wala pang system, wala pang consistency. Pero, nagja-judge na agad ng result. Or pwedeng ikaw naman yung ganito. Hindi ka naman nagko-quit immediately. You actually feel like you're improving. Nanalo ka ng konti, nakakuha ka ng magandang trade, may time na parang gets mo na. So you think, okay na to. But then, biglang may losses ulit. And now, sobrang confused ka. Kasi hindi na siya beginner problem eh. You've seen wins, you've felt progress. So ang tanong mo ngayon, bakit hindi consistent? Bakit natatalo na naman ako? This is what I call false progress. Yung feeling na umaangat ka na, pero wala ka talagang solid na foundation pa kasi walang system. So every win, parang aksidente lang. Every loss, wala kang explanation. And that's the most frustrating place to be. So ito, let me show you something. This was me, October 2023. Normal lang, walang special. And this, January 2024. So, November, December, 3 months after, if you look at it, parang wala pa rin, di ba? Parang same lang. Parang walang progress. And this is where most people quit. Because they think, sayang oras. Walang nangyayari. But look at this. May 2024. Big difference. Clear? Noticeable? So what changed? Hindi naman ako biglang nagkaroon ng bagong workout or hindi ako nakahanap ng secret diet. Wali. I just stayed consistent. Same routine, same structure, same process, even when it felt like nothing was happening. Ganun din sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Minsan, yung nakita mong result, hindi pa siya accurate. Kumbaga, too early to tell. Kasi ang problema, we judge too fast. Gusto natin, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, tapos magde-decide na agad tayo na, hindi gumagana to. Mali ito. Hanap na ulit ng iba. Without realizing, hindi pa kompleto yung data mo and hindi pa enough yung repetitions mo. Hindi pa rin stable yung executions mo. So, ang nangyayari, you're making decisions based on incomplete information. Ngayon, think of trading like a gym. So, day 1, di ba, motivated ka. Sinabi mo sa lahat ng pamilya mo. Bumili kang bagong gym shirt, shoes, tapos may meal prep ka na. Then, day 2, day 3, sore muscle, masakit katawan, ang hirap bumangon, hirap gumising. Then, pagdating ng day 7 or kahit day 30, pagtingin mo sa salamin, walang visible na result. So, anong ginagawa ng karamihan? They stop. Hindi pa tapos yung January na New Year, New Me, quit na agad. Not because the system doesn't work, but because they didn't stay long enough. Ganon din sa trading. You try a strategy, tapos after 3 losses, lipat agad. And then another strategy, another loss, lipat ulit. So instead of improving, you keep restarting. Tapos ito pa yung nakakatakot. Quitting actually feels logical. Kasi isipin mo, tinry mo naman, nag-aral ka naman, nawala ka na ng pera. So naturally, isipin mo, baka hindi talaga para sa akin ito. And that's a very convincing thought. Kasi back siya by experience mo. But what you don't see is this. You're not quitting because it doesn't work. You're quitting because you didn't have a structured way to improve. Sobrang laki ng difference nun. And this is what happens to most traders. They go through the same cycle, start, then learn, then manalo ng onte, and then matatalo ng malaki, magda-doubt, then magsiswitch, then repeat. Ulit-ulit lang, over and over again. Different strategy, same outcome. Different mentor, same frustration. Different setup, same result. Not because trading doesn't work, but because they never stayed consistent long enough to make anything work. Now, ito na yung shift. What if you're not failing? What if you're just resetting too often? Kasi every time you switch, you go back to zero. Wala pang data, walang pattern, walang improvement. But when you stick to one system, kahit na may losses, you start seeing what works, what doesn't, saan ka nagkakamali, and that's where progress starts. Real traders don't chase fast results. They build consistency in execution, clarity in rules, control in risk. Di nila tinatanong na, paano ako kita agad? Ang tanong nila is, paano ako maging consistent long enough na basic na lang lahat to in the future? Because once consistent ka na, profit follows. Ngayon, ito yung totoo. If hindi mo to inayos ngayon, you will still be here 6 months from now. Same problem, same frustration, baka may iba ka na namang strategy pero same na naman yung results. Or worse, mas pagod ka na, mas doubtful ka na, mas ayaw mo na mag-try ulit, not because wala kang potential, but because you keep restarting instead of building. So if you feel like ang dami ko nang sinubukan, pero wala pa rin, maybe hindi ka kulang sa effort. Maybe you just haven't stayed long enough with the right system. And here's the thing, most people never actually see what a real trading process looks like. Not the hype, not the shortcuts, but the actual structure behind it. So we decided to break it down inside a free 2-day workshop where you will see how the market really works, how traders approach it step by step, and why most people get stuck even if they are trying. No pressure just something you might want to look into. So kung seryoso ka about understanding this properly, check mo lang yung link sa baba.